Kahel, let's talk. I want us to have another chance. Hello, may kausap ba ako? Don't freaking ignore me, Kahel. Shh, natutulog si Sia. Is that your new girlfriend? Oo, Sammy. Kaya please go away and huwag ka na maghasik na lagim dito. I just wanna talk. Then talk. Here? Habang nandito yung girlfriend mo? Just talk to her, Kahel. Sia. Hi, Sammy. Nice to meet you. I'm Sia. Girlfriend ni Kahel. So, tinatanong ko ba? Hindi, pero I can sense na curious ka. Feeler, gusto mo bang makausap si Kahel? Why? Do I need your permission? No? But you do need Kahel's permission for you to talk to him. Shut up. Gusto mo bang makausap ex mo, love?
No, ayoko masuffocate.
Kahel! There's your answer, Miss Sammy. He doesn't want to talk to you. You may leave. Okay. How long have you been in a relationship with him? Oh, 4 months. 4 years kami. At nag-break kayo dahil nagkagusto ka sa ka-blockmate mo tapos sinasabi mo single ka sa mga nakaka-chat mo. Yeah, 4 years kayo. Ano bang laban ko dun, Kahel? Well, magbe-break din kayo kasi ako yung nauna sa buhay niya. Ano tayo, nasa racing competition and Kahel's the trophy? I heard you never apologized for all the things you did nung kayo pa and here you are. Asking for another chance as if hindi mo siya sinira. That's kind of shameless. Let me have him again. Nuh-uh, he's not a thing, Sammy. I suggest na leave us alone because you're making us uncomfortable. Kahel, please.
Kahit wag na lang yung sorry mo, Sammy. Respeto na lang hinihingi naming dalawa.
You'll regret your decision, Kahel. Babalik ka rin sa akin. At babalik ka rin sa pinanggalingan mo kapag hindi ka pa tumigil. Ano? Bakit mo ako tinitignan?
I can't believe you stood up for me.
Girlfriend mo, kaya na gusto mo gawin ko. Panoorin kayo habang uncoffee ka around her.
Yeah, tama ka. Thank you.
Don't tell me na fall ka na naman lalo sa akin.
Pwede ba? Kasi kung hindi, wala ka pa rin naman magagawa, Sia.
Corny mo!
Kaya nga ginawa kita ng lunch eh. May cherries dito yung favorite mo.
No doubt. Mahal na mahal mo nga ako.
Sobra.
Share tayo ah.
Ng pagmamahal?
Itigil mo na yung kakornihan mo, love. Gutom lang yan.
Hindi mahal talaga kita eh.
Gusto mo ba pukpukin ko na kutsara yung ulo mo? Ha?
Pikon.